Hi, I'm Louise from the Nolt Homestead, and today I would like to show you how to cut up your pastured rabbit. I have a rabbit here that we grew on our farm, and it's really quite easy to cut up a rabbit. Usually I cut off the front legs first because those are the easiest. They don't have any connecting knuckle bones or anything in there. They just slide right off. You want to cut right behind the shoulder blade here and just keep right on cutting, and there you have your first piece. See, there was no snapping or popping thing to do, and we'll do the other side the same way. Just cut right behind the shoulder blade there, keep right on cutting. Okay, there's the second piece. And now for the back legs. I usually pop those out a bit. It usually doesn't take much. And then you cut around the bone here and a little bit in the back on the top, and it comes right off. There's a nice piece of meat. And we'll do the other side the same way. Just cut right through here on the back side a little. This one I might have to pop. There we go. There's the other back leg. And now what we want is this nice piece of meat right in the middle here. I'm gonna cut this loose skin off right over toward the ribs. I don't want the ribs, so I'm gonna cut the skin off with those ribs. And we'll pop it here. And this I'll throw in with my any kind of bones that I'm cooking to make bone broth. And it's the same with this back end here. This back end is kind of bony here too, so we go and cut right in there. Cut it right off. Now, you have this nice piece of meat left. You can cut it in half or leave it whole like this. I'm going to cut it in half just to show you how to do it. Pop it. There you go. There you have 6 nice pieces of meat. And thank you for watching.